In a moment suspended between time and space, a great idea was born. A weapon not just for battle, but a symbol of courage and unyielding strength. This is the AK-47. With each meticulously crafted detail, the AK-47 is not just a combat tool, but the embodiment of simplicity perfected. A weapon built to withstand the test of time and to face any challenge head-on. In every battle, from Asia to Africa, from mountains to deserts, the AK-47 stands as a testament to the strength and courage of those who fight for freedom. An indomitable symbol of survival. Over 100 million rifles have been crafted, over 70 years of history witnessed. But the AK-47 is not just a gun, it is a legacy, an indelible symbol of resilience and bravery. AK-47, more than a weapon, it is a legend that lives on. A symbol of courage and unbreakable will that time cannot erase. One, the AK-47 assault rifle. The AK-47 was designed by Mikhail Kalashnikov, an engineer and soldier in the Soviet Red Army. Kalashnikov began developing the rifle in 1945, and the final version, known as the AK-47, was completed in 1947. The name AK-47 stands for Automat Kalashnikova 1947. Automat means automatic rifle. Kalashnikova refers to the designer's name, and 1947 is the year the rifle was completed. The name reflects both the origin and the nature of the rifle. The AK-47 was originally designed to be a standard assault weapon for the Soviet Red Army, intended for use in military conflicts and wars. The rifle is widely used due to its accuracy, power, and high reliability in all weather conditions and environments. The AK-47 has become a symbol in guerrilla warfare and is used by many armies, armed forces, and liberation movements around the world. Type: assault rifle. Manufacturer: Soviet Union. Year of origin: 1947. Caliber: 7.62 by 39 mm. Operating mechanism: gas-operated rotating bolt capable of automatic or semi-automatic fire. Length: overall 880, barrel 415 mm. Weight: without magazine 3.47 kilograms. Fully loaded 4.3 kilograms. Rate of fire: cyclic rate 600 rounds per minute. Practical rate: 90 rounds per minute. Effective range: optimal range 350 meters. Maximum range 800 meters. Magazine capacity: standard magazine 30 rounds. Additional options include 10, 20, 40 round box magazines and a 75 round drum magazine. Ammunition type: 7.62 by 39 millimeters. Recoil: relatively strong but well controlled due to the rifle's simple and sturdy design. The AK-47 uses a gas-operated mechanism with the following specific operational process. 1. Firing. When the trigger is pulled, the firing pin strikes the cartridge in the chamber, igniting the gunpowder. The expanding gases propel the bullet down the barrel at high speed. 2. Gas operation. A portion of the gas from the fired cartridge is diverted through a small port near the muzzle into a gas tube located above the barrel. This gas drives a piston connected to the bolt carrier rearward. 3. Recoil. As the bolt carrier moves back, it extracts the spent cartridge case from the chamber and ejects it out of the rifle through the ejection port. Simultaneously, the recoil spring inside the receiver is compressed by the rearward movement of the piston. 4. Chambering a new round. Once the spring is fully compressed, it pushes the piston and bolt carrier forward. During this forward movement, a new round is stripped from the magazine and chambered into the barrel. 5. Cycle repeats. If the trigger is still held, this cycle will repeat. allowing the rifle to fire in either fully automatic or semi-automatic mode, depending on the selected firing mode. Advantages of the AK-47. 1. High reliability. The AK-47 is renowned for its exceptional reliability, capable of functioning effectively in harsh conditions such as mud, sand, water, and extreme temperatures without jamming or malfunctioning. 2. Simple design. The straightforward construction of the AK-47 makes it easy to produce, maintain, and use. This simplicity has contributed to its widespread adoption by military and armed forces worldwide. 3. Powerful firepower. The rifle uses 7.62 by 39mm ammunition, providing strong stopping power, sufficient to penetrate light barriers and inflict serious damage. 4. Low cost. The AK-47 is inexpensive to manufacture, making it a popular choice for armed forces in resource-limited countries. 5. Effective range. While not the longest-range rifle, the AK-47 has an effective range of up to 350 meters, sufficient for most combat situations. Disadvantages of the AK-47. 1. Lower accuracy. Compared to other assault rifles like the M16, the AK-47 has lower accuracy, particularly at longer ranges. This is due to its barrel design and bolt system. 2. Heavy weight. The AK-47 is heavier than many modern rifles, which can reduce a soldier's mobility in prolonged combat situations. 3. High recoil. The use of 7.62 by 39mm ammunition results in significant recoil, making the rifle harder to control in fully automatic mode, especially for inexperienced users. 4. Limited customization. The AK-47 lacks extensive options for mounting accessories compared to modern rifles, reducing its flexibility for special operations. 5. Lack of modern features. Many versions of the AK-47 lack modern features such as optical sights, Picatinny rails for mounting accessories, and compatibility with modern combat technologies. It is lighter than the AK-47 due to the use of stamped steel instead of milled steel for the receiver. It includes a simple recoil compensator, which helps control recoil better during automatic fire. It features a longer barrel design, improving accuracy and range. A flash suppressor and muzzle brake were added, reducing muzzle flash and better concealing the shooter's position. The AKS-74U is a version of the AK-74 with a folding stock, using 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. It is lighter and has lower recoil compared to the AK-47. The rifle was designed for airborne forces and mobile units. The AK-74M is a modernized version of the AK-74 with numerous improvements, including the use of polymer materials to reduce weight and increase durability. It has a folding stock, enhancing mobility for the user. The AK-101 was designed for export, using 5.56 by 45mm NATO ammunition. It features a more modern design with a Picatinny rail, folding stock, and extensive use of polymer materials, making it lighter and more durable than the AK-47. The AK-102 is a carbine version of the AK-101, shorter and lighter, making it suitable for missions requiring high mobility. The AK-103 combines the design of the AK-74M with the 7.62 by 39mm caliber of the AK-47, retaining high firepower while incorporating modern upgrades from the AK-74M. It features a folding stock, polymer handguards, and a polymer magazine, which are lighter and more durable than wood. The AK-104 is a carbine version of the AK-103, using 7.62 by 39mm ammunition like the AK-47, but with a shorter barrel, folding stock, and a lighter design. The AK-105 is a carbine version of the AK-74M, using 5.45 by 39mm ammunition. It has a compact and lighter design, making it suitable for special operations and close-quarter combat. The AK-107 uses 5.45 by 39mm ammunition, and the AK-108 uses 5.56 by 45mm NATO ammunition. Both versions feature a balanced recoil system, which reduces recoil and improves accuracy during automatic fire compared to the AK-47. The AK-109 is an upgraded version of the AK-107 with the balanced recoil system and uses 7.62 by 39mm ammunition, offering reduced recoil while maintaining strong firepower. The AK-9 uses 9 by 39mm ammunition and was designed for special forces, featuring an integrated suppressor and optimized for silent operations, making it completely different from the AK-47 in terms of intended use. The AK-12 is the most modern version, designed with significant enhancements, including a Picatinny rail system that allows for various attachments like scopes, foregrips, and other support devices. It improves recoil control and accuracy, with the ability to quickly switch between firing modes. Ergonomic design for better handling, suitable for various modern combat scenarios. The AK-12K is a modern version with a modular design, using 5.45 by 39mm AK-12K and 7.62 by 39mm AK-15 ammunition. Both feature a modern design with Picatinny rails, optional stocks, and advanced features to suit modern warfare. AK-200 series, AK-200, AK-201, AK-203, AK-204, AK-205. The AK-200 series was designed for export, using various ammunition types, 5.45 by 39mm, 5.56 by 45mm NATO, 7.62 by 39mm. They feature more modern designs, with extensive use of polymer materials and Picatinny rails for accessories. The AK-308 uses 7.62 by 51mm NATO ammunition, designed for export with a modern design and numerous improvements, differing completely in ammunition and performance from the AK-47. AK-521 include modular design with customizable parts, advanced locking system, reduced recoil, multiple Picatinny rails. The AK-19 is the most modern version, using 5.56 by 45mm NATO ammunition. It features a lightweight design, integrating new technologies such as Picatinny rails, adjustable stocks, and enhancements for modern combat effectiveness. Even with the emergence of modern versions, the AK-47 continues to hold a special place in the hearts of soldiers and weapon enthusiasts alike. AK-47, a legend that endures forever. Which version of the AK-47 is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any exciting videos about military history and technology. We look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in the next videos.